Good afternoon, young scientists. Welcome to another Science Amazing Journey. I am your reporter for this afternoon. I am Miss Marian Alaban, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Curriculum, second year. What are you waiting for? Let's go! This video is about teaching science in elementary grades. Our topic is Module 2, Lesson 2, Changes that Materials Undergo, Useful and Harmful. But one of my groupmates already discussed useful materials. So, this time, we will be discussing harmful materials. I will be posting below the link of my groupmates discussing useful materials. Let's have some review first. What is useful materials? When we say useful, it means the capability of being put to use. What are the changes in materials that are useful to our environment? The changes that are useful to our environment include planting of vegetables and plants bearing fruits. What made them useful to the environment? These changes are useful because it keeps the environment beautiful and provides food to living things. This time, let's move on to harmful materials. What is harmful materials? Harmful materials, it is a kind that is likely to be damaging. What are the changes in materials that are harmful to the environment? What made them harmful to the environment? We can answer those questions as we go deeper to our topic. What are the examples of changes in the materials that are harmful to our environment? The first one, burning of plastic materials. The second one, dumping garbage on land. The third one, cutting down trees. The fourth and the last one, throwing dead animals in the river. When the materials is damp with garbage of any kind such as empty bottles, plastics, toxic waste, chemical from factories and other establishments, the land becomes polluted. Polluted land serve as breeding places for flies, cockroaches, and rats. These pests carry germs that causes diseases that is hazardous to our one's health. Growing plants is not also possible in polluted land. When the materials is dumped with garbage of any kind such as empty bottles, plastics, waste, or even dead animals from houses and other industrials and chemical waste from factories, the river becomes polluted. If we drink water contaminated with germs, we are likely to get sick. Polluted water also kills living organisms such as fish and water plants. Are you also practicing burning garbage such as plastic materials at home? Many items in household garbage, when burned, release dangerous toxic chemicals. This pose health risks especially for people particularly with those asthma and other heart and lung ailments. Because of the smoke is close to the ground, it can also settle on fruits, vegetables, and other vegetation that becomes dangerous to eat for humans and wildlife. The smoke, the toxins that enter the air also contribute to the greenhouse effect and global warming. To prevent, minimize the effect of burning of garbage waste segregation must be observed and the 5 R's should be practiced.
The 5 R's are refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rat. Refuse, learn to say no things you don't need. Reduce, donate or sell. Let go of things that are no longer of use. Reuse, switch disposable items to reusable and permanent alternatives. Recycle. Sort your waste correctly and minimize what you send to landfill. Rot. Compose your own household waste or take part in composting program for organic waste.
Before we end, let's answer the two questions a while ago. What are the changes in materials that are harmful to our environment? The changes that are harmful to our environment include burning of waste and cutting down trees. The second question, what made them harmful to the environment? These changes are harmful to the environment because it damages the environment and destroys our natural resources. Did you have a science amazing today? If you do, great! This time, let's have a short recap on what we have discussed today. We learned that there are changes that can be harmful to our environment, just like burning of garbage or cutting down trees. We also learned the 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, repair, and rot. That's all for today, my young scientists. I hope you learned something and gave you another amazing science journey. Once again, I am Miss Mariel Alaban saying goodbye to you. Till next time.